Hey guys, welcome to the Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. This is your boy K Smalls. Yeah, guys, today I want to show you how to buy coins from Altcoin Trader to Metamask. So the coins that I want to buy today is XRP and Baby Coins. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So what's happening into this account? This is my Altcoin Trader account. I want to move some of my XRP to altcoin, I mean to MetaMask. So basically what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to buy BNB and then take that BNB from Altcoin Trader and take it to MetaMask. And then from MetaMask, I'm going to convert that BNB into what we call XRP and Baby Coin. So yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, I made a video on how to set up your MetaMask wallet, so I'm gonna put it on the description below. And yeah, if you wanna look at that video and set up your MetaMask, which is your decentralized exchange, you can watch that video and then follow this one afterwards to buy more coins. So basically, the first thing that we're gonna be doing is to go to our MetaMask wallet, which is this one here. Remember, on our first video, what I did is let you know that you should pin it here. So basically that's what we did. I pinned mine here. So if I want to access it, I just click on this dock here, and then I'm gonna be clicking it, expand the view. So from your side, maybe if you click it, it will request you to put in your password, and then you can just enter your password, and then yeah, that's it. So as you can see right now, I've bought most of the coins with the money that I had on my previous videos. So right now the BNB that I'm left with is basically 0.0013. So what I need to do right now is to send BNB. I need to send BNB to this address from Altcoin Trader. So this is my Altcoin Trader. In my Altcoin Trader account, I already deposited 3,382 rands. So with this 3,382 rands, I'm going to buy BNB. So I'm going to click on BNB, right? This is on Altcoin Trader. Come in here, click on BNB. So what you need to do, one BNB is like 5,000 rand. So what I need to do is to buy BNB for all the money that I have, which is 3,382. So you can just come in here and put that amount here, 3,382.6. Or what you need to do, you can just come in here and use this thing to determine how much BNB you want to buy with the balance that you have here. So with this, I'm going to use all my balance and click on buy. So once I click on buy, already my transaction was what do we call that? Like same time, instant. So that's basically what happened. As you can see, BNB right now there is 0.62 and my balance went back to zero. So that's basically it. The first thing that I'm gonna be doing right now, as you can see, I don't own any Bitcoins on this account. Yes. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take this BNB that I bought, which is the 0.06, and send it here into the MetaMask wallet, which is this big wallet. So the first thing that you need to do is you can either click on here and say it doesn't have receive because it's not a phone. So what you need to do here, you need to come and click on this copy clipboard. So this is your BNB address. So if you want to confirm your address, I always do it like this, paste it on my notepad or sticky note. I don't know why my PC is very slow today. Yes, so what I'm gonna do is just to paste this address and check if it's fine. So which is fine. This is a good address. So just copy that address from that, and then you go back to your altcoin trader and then you say, I want to withdraw cryptocurrencies. Right. So basically from there, you say you're gonna withdraw cryptocurrencies. So once you click on withdrawing cryptocurrencies, it will show you all the cryptocurrencies that are on altcoin trader. Which one do you want to withdraw? Okay, as we mentioned, we want to withdraw BNB, which is Binance Coin. Click on Binance Coin, and then here it will ask you where do you want to send that BNB. I want to send it to this address that I copied on my MetaMask, which is this one. Remember, we copied this address. Now we need to send it here. So this is going to be our recipient address. So the available balance is this. As we know, we just bought that for 3,000 rands. So we want to send all of it, nothing less. So they're going to charge us this for a fee to send that BNB. And then yeah, you can just click on withdraw and then click OK. So once you're done clicking OK, it's loading here. It's telling us that your withdrawal request was successful. You will get an email to confirm the withdrawal. So basically what I need to do is to go to my emails and then confirm the withdrawal. So here's the email that I got. It says, Dear Kuketso, blah, blah, blah. It's telling me that I seem to have withdrawn. So this is some security aspect with the altcoin trader. Yes, it's me. I approve this withdrawal, and then this is telling me my withdrawal have been confirmed and it will be processed. I don't know how long it's gonna be taking, but BNB basically is quick as you saw when we bought there. Let's refresh and see. So I'm just gonna wait for it and then maybe I'll cut this video and make it to be, if it takes too long, I'll cut the video and make it to be less because I don't want this video to be long. So basically the withdrawal is done. I'm just gonna close my altcoin trader because now we are done in the altcoin trader space. So what I can do is just to log out here. I can just come in here and say log out because I don't want to use this anymore. Close before you guys start to hack me. You'll never hack me, guys. Try it. A lot of people tried and yeah, they couldn't. So I'm going to just refresh. uh, I'm refreshing up until but remember that BNB, if I go to my email, the withdrawal of my BNB will also be on the Binance scan. Else you can copy and paste link. So if I want to check how far is the transaction, I can even go to the BNB scan. BNB scan. So and check that transaction whether is it far, is it still coming or not. I can copy this address and then paste it here. Once I click OK, it will show me all the transactions I've been making. So you can see these are the transactions, the internal ones. So there's transactions that I've been making on this address. So I've got multiple addresses, guys. So as an investor in cryptocurrency, you need to have multiple addresses, hot wallets, cold wallets, and also some of the wallets that you're going to be using, like Altcoin Trader. If you want to buy and sell your coins pretty much fast, you can do that. So I want to buy XRP on the MetaMask here so that I want to hold these coins maybe up until 5 years or 10 years time. Maybe if I can buy 500 XRP and hold them for 10 years or hold them for 5 years, they can make me a lot of money. So yeah, so while we are still waiting for this to transactions to be to come, let's see what's happening. Analytics, I don't know where the transaction is because I can't even see it on the BNB scan. Um, BNB balance. All right, so I can't see it, but yeah, we'll wait for it up until it comes. Today is not 2021. Okay, this is showing up until that. I'll be playing around here and refreshing. Okay, here's the transaction. As you can see, I just finished refreshing and the BNB came in. So I think it took approximately like 2 to 3 minutes to get to this level. So first of all, the first thing that we need to do is we need to spend 3,000 rands. Let me see how much is 3,000 rands. How much 3,000 is going to give me. How many XRP will 3,000 give me? I'm going to click here and then I will say 3,000 here. I want to buy XRP. So wait, 3,000 will give me, I want to buy 500 XRP. So this is basically 3,170 rands. I'm going to use 3,170 rands to buy 500 XRP. So maybe I'll buy at least 505, 505. So this will be 3.2. So how much will that be in BNB? I just need to convert that. So it will be 3.2. So let's say 3,200 will give me 0.58 BNB. So I just need to copy this. This is the address. So what I need to do, remember I said I want to buy XRP. First thing that you need to do when you buy XRP, you need to make sure that you buy the real XRP. You don't buy any other XRP or any other because anyone can create a coin and put it on coin market cap and call it XRP. So what I always do is to go to coin market cap, which is my go-to site just to see the prices of the coins. So we know that XRP is like the fourth or third largest coin. Right now, it even dropped to the number seven. Yeah, so this is the XRP that we want to buy. Click on that. Make sure that, remember on the last video I showed you that XRP runs on different, in every coin runs on different blockchains or smart chains. So here we want to copy the contract's address of BNB here for XRP. So we're going to copy this address. In here, we're going to come back and say swap. So it's asking me, what do you want to swap? I want to swap BNB. How many BNB do you want to swap? Those BNBs that I went in on Altcoin Trader for 3.2, how many were there? Just so you can just remember, I know I'm going up and down with this thing. So you can just know how many BNB you want to exchange. So right now, because I have a target, I want to make sure that I put in that exact amount. So I want to put in for 3,200. So which is this? 5.0.59. I can say, okay, I want to swap 0.59. So which is like $200. So it's asking me, I'm swapping BNB to what? To XRP. So you copy that address and tell BNB Metamask that you want to swap BNB for this address. So once you paste that address, if it's not a good address or that address doesn't associate itself with XRP, this thing will be empty. You see, it's even giving you a message here say you can manually add or stuff. So I want to do that. So I'm going to click on review swap. So once it's doing that, it's busy fetching me codes. And you see right now my 4 point thing is not even giving me um, 500 XRP, which is fine. I'm just going to use this swap because the gas fees are there. I was hoping for 500 XRP, so it means I lost some of the money there with gas fees. So once I'm done, you can see it says the transaction was confirmed. I can view it on Etherscan and stuff like that. So yeah, right now my MetaMask, I have 493 XRP, which I'm going to hold long term. So you can see now I'm left with how much? 0.02. And if I scroll down, there's XRP. So my XRP balance is there right now. So yeah, guys, if you want to learn more about how to buy these things, follow, subscribe on this channel and help me grow this small channel of mine. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoy your Sunday. And yeah, have peace, guys. Cheers. See you on the next video.